Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 1850 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so you have a damaged vac hose, which is located right here on the back side of the machine, and we need to replace it. Super simple. What you want to do is you want to remove these 6 Torx 30 screws from this panel. Okay, now drop the back panel. Okay, now there's a hose clamp right here on the top part of your hose. We got to loosen that up. Just like that. And now we can remove the hose. And then take it off the squeegee assembly. Now, to install, just reverse the steps. Put it back on the squeegee assembly. Now we're going to tighten the hose clamp back down at the top of the hose. Now all we need to do is put the panel back on. Get your holes lined up. Now just be sure to tighten the screws back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.